Mami obugole bunyuma. Ayya. Ndayiro bubaamu mpaka Febu. Mami obugole bukkirizibwa mpaka ddi?
Omuntu asobe n'omugole olunyirira okwekola ebyobugole.
Gwe ekikulu kasitoba ng'osobola okwekola ebyobugole.
Seriyo n'abakyala nga bafumbirwa nga bakulidde eddala naye nga bamuyita balambe.
Nga balambe bamuyita. Eri abakyala abafumbirwa naye ng'obugole embaga yaggwa naye basiga bamuyita mugole.
Emirembe gyonna nga mugole waabwe kuba baatunula kigole.
Kiwedde. Ngenda beera mu bugole mpaka Febu nga 10.
Okay. Inshallah.
Mami onzikiriza.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Broomworld mbe expecting. You have a package from Broomworld. Kale sebo na ije bale. Bagaye wokuba esimu sikwata. Katotegedde otya wano. Mwaba mpe ebirabo bya Happy New Year. Okay. Kati mulese bya birthday. Batake. Nakedde mu field era bakunkubira ku macha bannaye mwandinyigidde bunyigizi. Nkedde kola nezira. I'm receiving gifts from Broomworld. Nababagambako bampa ebirabo ku to me. Video ensanzeeyo kyova olaba. Dear Shifah, hope mami nga temuyimba.
Birthday to you.
Faima nkwate akonsome message.
Birthday, hope.
I know. Happy birthday, dear Hope.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear baby. Inze. To you.
January, baby.
A million magic to you. Sebo. Kansomeko. Bivudde mu Broomworld oba someone ordered through Broomworld bebampadde.
Simanyi wabula.
Let me read. Oh, wamankula boli wa Glovo. Thank you for delivering. Hey! A million magic to you, my darling Shifah. May this year be the year you live to remember. May God surprise you. Katonda yakedde kun surprising. I wish I could share my good news. Name nange. Abantu bagala good news. Naye nga bagambye, remember, may God surprise you because you're an amazing woman who deserves everything. I adore you so much. Barakallahu fikum. Ulike namba yesimu y'omuntu. Yeah, we are going to make a call. Hata bane nyine engeri gyempulira nga ndabye ku majja. Mami, tomanya nga ndabye ku majja. My God, Mukama, thank you, Lord. Katonda webale, this is so beautiful. Hey, Faima leta lumu n'ebirabo byange ebyasoose okujja. Ebyazze ekiro ne ngamba kambisumululere. Totwala wala Faima. I'm still admiring my gifts. Mami tebamugaana, start. Tutandike. Ngenda sookamu kwa bifaananyi kati wano mugize. This is so beautiful. Thank you. Mami tulina okukubira omuntu essimu. Ampadde this package. Sebo bampaintingako ekyobukwatakwata ssimu. Ne nagamba leero nabagamba if it's my birthday ngenda kukwata amasimu n'okukola ki 0702. Mami, I'm calling someone. 0702. Faima tusumule n'ebyo ebirabo. I was told they are from Hajat Karoddo. Hajat Aisha Karoddo. Jam. Nebino. This is also my gift. This is from Tiff, my brother. So I'm trying to call the person. 0702.
I'm
charging. Remove gifts.
I
want to see. I'm trying to dial this number to see the person who has sent me this package. through Bloom World. Ate the same people bampa ebirabo ku New Year. So oh my God, these are shoes from Hajat Aisha Shakila Hajat Kaloddo. Banange, they are so sweet. Amanye chigere change mami 37. Okay, I'm going to try. Zinenga tuzengenda okwambala encha. Right?
Yeah.
Yone plan di mugole. Bana plan di mugole. Nakagato kasembeze. Banange, thank you Hajat Aisha Kaloddo. Just now, love you so much. Thanks for being there for me. I love the shoes. I love the bag. Encha nkera mu bino. Kwetala. Nabwemba sina lugendo. Yes. Eno kala mbadde ate sigirina. Kati that is another gift from my brother Mugera Latif. Hey. Mommy, what's the name of this? He wants me to be fit. Kwaliko ekigambo erinnya. Naye nkimanyi kye kakola nyimirirako ne kakola wato. Hey. My brother yagala nkole wato sports waist twister machine health life. Yangamba he ordered my gift from China finally here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling loved. I'm feeling so happy. Ne mami ku birthday ng'oluzungu lujja nnyo ate. Starting, eh? So this is so beautiful, banange.
Rose for rose.
This is so beautiful, guys.
Roses for beautiful rose.
Banange. Damosome ekigambo a million what?
To you, my hope.
Oh my God.
You are someone's hope.
I'm someone's hope, eh?
Yes.
Wow. This is amazing. Tandekere kuba nizo kaba safi na makeup wona enoneka. I'm so happy. Birthday tambulira ddala n'okusinga bwe najibala. Esinzeewo mami. Mo okusinga bwe najipulaning oba bwe najibala. Bikyajjalayira safi. Nze biraako. Safi noyeko ine ekyama. Safi nali wano makeup artist mnange. She finds you anywhere wonna woli. Kana kato kali so hard working, kali flexible. Faima, we call this number. No, togisoma nnyo ayinza obutayagala number ekulabika wano, but you dial it to manye the person who has sent me the package. Amanye nti etuuse ate mu appreciating. The shoes and the bag byavudde eri Hajat Kaloddo. Yagambye kasendinga ebirabo bye kuba tamanyi oba pate oba chi nothing. So Hajat, thank you my love. Ne mami omanyi nyina weakness mu nsawo nkwateemu kati kanzunze eno. Nsoke njikwate njironchinge. Omanyi buli omu aba ne weakness yo kimanyi. Kati nze ngenda nenkwata ensawo emu nembeera ku eyo nkwano. Abantu ne bagaba bannenga wafuuka nsawo. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, dear?
Good.
Fine. I've received my gifts from Blossom. My baba ita Blossom. Omanyi mami wange yalina oluzungu lwange. Kati nizo byogera obubi. Neyanziza bambi mukwano. Ndabika nkutegedde nze. Blossoms. So, ne mami naawe oluzungu lungi. Oh, thank you dear. Nja kuddamu kubireko neyanza mukwano nkutegedde. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Mami, baby wa mzaala leero eh? Wabadde wa wakana. Nange kyeneebuuza tuli mu birabo wano. Yes, buli kirabo ekijja nga tukisimulula lwakyo. Enkyankera mu kagattaako. So, nina okunoonya akagoye akagenda nnyumira kagattaako. Just mami nemba sina wendaga just nsibe nga ndi smart safino okero nkole makeup nsibe nga kweganze nandi awo nga kwegama nze nantudde awo ndi bube